Hello student of 8th class. This is Shruti. Today I will discuss with you chapter first of history. Your chapter is how, when and where. How important are dates? In this chapter we will talk about dates. Class, you have to write on a paper and make a list of dates from your birth, your birthday, your birthday date, and date of admission, date of picnic, tour, etc. etc. Okay, then you will get how important are dates. Dates are very important in whole area, also in history. Okay, so in the para first line written in, there was a time when historian word says fascinated with dates. Okay, we have the many debates on dates, and also historian fascinated with dates. Okay, so you have to know importance of date. Okay, many students were saying that history are boring, very boring. History is boring. That's why I'm saying history is not boring, but dates are boring. Okay, so dates are also not boring, but it makes it boring because we don't know what is the importance of date. Okay class, so we have to know what is the importance of date. So firstly we have to know dates are belongs to totally their changes, and totally changes makes the event. Okay, changes make the event. Firstly you can read in this para. Second, history is certainly about changes. Okay, what have done in your past, you should learn from the past. So we have to learn the with dates in like a fact. Dates will be a fact in your certain area. Okay, that occurs over time, area, culture event, whatever, finding out how the things were in the past and how things have changed. As soon as we compare the past with the present, we refer to time. We talk be of before and after. Okay, what happens in 500 before and 500 after? Okay, then we will know about this, and we have to learn some dates. Okay, let make some list of dates. We can take some example like 15 August. Okay, 15 August, what happened in this date? We got our independence, okay, from colonial rule. That's why it is very important. 14 August important for the Pakistan. Okay, Pakistan divided from the separated from the India. That's why this date important for the Pakistan, and this date important for the India. And both date makes important from the event. All date make some event, that's why they important. Okay, so event makes importance of date, and dates makes important of event. Both are class to each other. We can also understand date from the advertisement also. Advertisement make also the important of date. Advertisement help creates the taste also. This advertisement of this poster belongs to 1922. Okay, 1922. This 1922 advertisement for the Lipton tea suggests that the royalty all over the world is associated with this tea. In the background you see the outer wall of an Indian. Okay, you can see the background, also the Indian background. Okay, that means it's a colonial rules example. Most of the history written by the Government Journal of India. That's why the history are important, because we should know about the Government Journal of India. Okay, this history begins with the rule of the first Governor General Warren Hastings and ended with the last victory. That's why we should know, and we will read on the next separately. We will read the chapter new on this how to be periodized. If you will read this chapter in this periodization, you will take an example of the Scottish economist and politician philosopher J.S. Mill. J.S. Mill is famous for the philosopher as a philosopher also in 1817. He suggests a volume, 3-volume work and a history of British India. In this volume, he divided Indian history into 3 periods. First one is Hindu, Muslim, and third one is British. First one Hindu, second one Muslim, and third one is British. He divided into 3 periods. You can study your history according to J.S. Mill. You have to read into 3 periods: Hindu, Muslim, and British. You can read into 3 times. Now we will read now colonial rule. I will teach you colonial rule in the next video. Till then, now take care, stay home, stay safe.